Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can share the music playlist on the iPhone 15 series. First, swipe up to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen tap on the music app. Once it has opened, tap on the library button at the bottom, then open up a playlist. Next, you can touch and hold on a playlist, for example this Funky IT Jingles playlist. Then go down and tap on Share Playlist. Now in here you can choose a context to share it with, or you can share using SharePlay, or you can share it through one of the messenger app that you have installed on your device. So I have installed Facebook Messenger, so I can tap on that and use the Facebook Messenger. Or you can share it through your WhatsApp or Telegram or Signals or whatever apps that you have installed on your device. You can use that to share your music playlist. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, another thing that you can do is if you go into the playlist, you can also share it from here. So tap on the More button at the top, then tap on Share Playlist. And you can even just simply share the songs. So open up the song, and in here you can share a song. So tap on Share Song, and this will allow you to share a single song instead of the whole playlist. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.